Let us start very important topic, shear force. So, very first we need to understand the sign convention for shear force. Suppose this is a beam, and if there is, take any XX section at any point, if the force left to that is upward or force right to that is downward, this is point XX. Little confusing concept, this sign convention, because why it is confusing? Friends, till now you have studied that upward force is always positive, downward is negative, but this is a little bit confusing because we are saying that if the force towards right to any section is downward, then it is positive shear force. So, this is a new concept. Take any section, we will study from live example. If take any section XX, if towards left the force is upward or if towards right the force is downward, then that is positive shear. Now, another concept, takes any section, if downward force at left or upward force at right is there, then there is a negative shear. Take this example. Write down, find out reaction at point A and B as well as shear force and shear force diagram for this simply supported beam of 6 meter length having point load 10 kilonewton, which is placed at 2 meter from support A and 20 kilonewton point load at 2 meter from support B. So, friends, our first step is to solve to find out support reaction RA and RB. We have studied in case 1 simply supported beam with point load. So, let us now study how to find reaction for this case. In order to find support reactions, we have to proceed with our regular procedure. Upward forces are positive and downward forces are negative. So, here there are in total 4 forces are here, RA, RB, 10 kilonewton and 20 kilonewton. So, RA is upward, 10 is downward, 20 is downward, RB is upward. So, RA plus RB minus 10 minus 20. So, let us see here RA minus 10 minus 20 plus RB is equal to 0. Very simple. It is just arithmetic calculation of plus and minus. Therefore, RA plus RB is equal to 30. This is expression number 1. Now, summation M, that is moment about A is equal to 0 gives, taking moment about A. This is little bit needs some practice. Taking moment about point A, RA into 0, 0, 10 into 2, because this is clockwise movement, so it is positive, then 10 into 2 we have written, again 20, we are taking moment about A. You can take moment about any point, you can also take moment about B also. So, 20 into 4, don't get misunderstood, it is not 2, it is 2 plus 2, because we are taking moment at point A. So, 20 into 4, so this is plus because it is clockwise movement, 20 into 4 minus RB 2 plus 2 plus 2, because we are taking moment at A and RB is going anti-clockwise. So, 6 into RB, which is minus, So minus 6 into RB equal to 0. Again it is a matter of arithmetic calculation only of plus and minus. So 20 plus 80 minus 6 RB equal to 0, or 6 RB is 100, or RB is equal to 16.67 and RA is equal to 13.33. So let us write down here value of RA and RB. RA is 13.33. RB is 16.67. Friends, I am going to solve this problem of shear force live and in a very simple manner, very simple manner. Please don't refer book, it will create a confusion. Okay. So let us take now shear force diagram. Draw one straight line. Okay, we are marking point x6 here. So this is, let me take another color chalk. 13.33 point A. 13.33. Okay. No other force till point C. So I am drawing a straight line. C. This is point C. I will draw very faint projection lines so that it will very easy for you. Okay, now at point C, the force is going down at what value? 10. So 10. This is point C. Again, no force till point D. Correct? So I am drawing a straight line. 20 kilonewton downward. So let us write down here 10, here straight line, here 20, from this point 20. 20 means what? How much is this? 3.33. So this is 3.33. That means this one is what? 16.67. So again a straight line till point B and 16.67 upward, because see our theorem is what? Towards right. See, I have taken here, I have taken sign convention and written down in very short scale. So towards right it is negative. Negative means below this line. So this is point B, this is point D, this is 16.67. Have you tallied this? See, 16.67, 13.33, 10, 20. This is how you have to solve any such problem or any type of complicated problem of shear force. This is nothing but shear force diagram. Now few rules are there. If there is no force in between, then draw a straight line. If there is a point load, draw a vertical straight line. If there is no force between two forces, no any type of load, then draw a horizontal straight line, again a vertical straight line, and in this manner we can solve these type of problem. I recommend you to solve at least 3 problems of same type, that means simply supported beam with point load. So this is simply supported beam with point load. We will again solve one more problem in next lecture, in next video, with simply supported beam and an UDL. I recommend you to solve at least 3 problems of same nature, simply supported beam with number of point loads placed at different lengths.